Kani kadai kadudash ni Meghalaya bagi yang subhai pi baro syakatup kubo mentekajan miet shon pai shi kubo kibubnya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Yakhi ke India Persha ya ka jing sha sentiat ke soka Canada ya ki nomik mat kari. Menjur ke kenhun menteri jong ke jela ya ki kendon an forensic science ban pengklan ya ka jinglap ni kam snew. Li ke soka jela ya ke surok na tem yo maulong ban pendunai ke jing dheng kali. Ai jing menjur ke kenhun menteri ke jela halo ke jing pentrekam ya ke building bylaws na ke benta ki karkhana. Bat smai ke seng kongres banyak kunting ke election shiteng semoy hagam begeri ong MP ketura usaleng sangma. Ki kubor kibubnya. Ka India kala penpau ya ke jing persya hadin bagi bos sokar keri Canada kila penhap ya ki nong ratin siem jongka hapo ka jing syak sentiat lingba ki audio bat video da ka bakhot ya ka jing penken ka bapau jong ki kendon ki nong mi khmat keri katnat jong ki kambari kala penremjur ya ka jing le jong keri Canada kum ka jing berngam bat ka jing nyonben Menteri Ketnat ki Kambari USJ Shankar Ru ula kentho halo kini ka jingle ka bakedau ya ka jinglong jingman ka babu jing shu ya ki nongra tins em kari India kini ka jingja kanang wanra shu ya ka jing per jingmut hapeneng ka jingkeno jong Menteri dang ba du kari Canada Justin Trudeau ba ke India ka don kti ha ka jing penyap yo leno Khalistani Hardip Singh Nijar.
The surveillance is something which is unacceptable.
Ka Presiden keri ka Draupadi Murmu ka lapli ya ka jingelang ka bandingkong jong ka Asian Buddhist hene ka sngi da ka bakedau baki India ka don ya ka benta kum kari bela tip ya ka kum ka land of Dhamma ka lakedau halo ka jingyo jingshai jong u Siddhartha Gautam ha bot gaya bat layawer ya ki riunget Buddhist ban kinti ya ka jing shongsuk ha ka perthai ya ka ni ka jingelang ka ba asngi la pelong dagat nat culture ringkat bat ke International Buddhist Confederation da ka ba phaikmat ban penklain ya ka do ba Asia lingba ka Buddhism ka Presiden ka lapli perdaru ya ka logo jong ka ni ka jingelang bat ya ka jing pen inam ya ka India as the Dhamma situ.
When the world today is facing an existential crisis on many fronts, not only strife but also the climate crisis, your large community has much to offer to humankind. The various schools of Buddhism show the world how to counter narrow sectarianism. Their central message remains focused on peace and non-violence.
Udekot jong ka kenhun menteri berunong aitien ke sokar MDA baar u ba pol lingdo. Ula pentip ne ke sngi ba kenhun menteri jong ka jela kala dep ban ai jing menjur ya ka Forensic Science Laboratory Services rule jong usnam ahajar apway. Kane ka kendon an ke bethamai kan wanra ya ka jing pendon kam ya ki Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit bat penbuon ru ya ki nong trei jong ka Forensic Hakeleng ki district kenang ban penklan ya ka rokom tokit ya ki kam sniu. Ki wede ki jingyo jing menjur badangshan ki kentup ya ka jing kentiu ya ki forensic lab sya ka directorate ringkat ka jing penbiang ya ki jing don kam baro ka jing ai jing hikai ba ka jing penbiang ya ki tiar kitar.
To the Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory Service Rules 2021, and this involves the creation of the Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit, and Cabinet agreed to the creation of more posts in these Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Units, which will facilitate crime detection through mobile units, meaning
Menteri Ketnat Social Welfare uba polling do ula penbena ba ka jing pli biang ya ka surok na them yaw maulong menen ka sngi ka long ban pensting ya ka jing dheng kali hanong ba shlong ula pensyai ba ka ne ka jing pli biang ya ka ni ka surok kam don jing ya dei bat ka jing penkenria jaka shong ya ki bre ki ba shong basa ha ka ne ka jaka Iba polling do ila banjur bahadian rius nem kenti kajing pelibiang ya kini kesurok ke kedau ya kajing elek ban pen bahabiang ya kajing long jing ban bat ban pensuk ya kelet kawan jong kipat ba bat kikali.
Trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Tham Maulong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.
Ka kenhun menteri jong ke jela kala ai jing menjur lo ka jing penteri kam ya ke building by law na ke benta ki karkhana ha ki jaka balamang ha keleng ki benta jong ke jela unong ai tien ke sokar MDA bar bot udkhot ke kenhun menteri uba polling do ulo ong ba ke building by law bala penthamai ke thmu ban penbiang ya ki jing dawa ban kentiu ya ki kam pen roisor khamtam ha ki jaka kum ke new shlong haba ha ka ba ki kam pen roisor ki bla pen khre ba ki don kam kani ke kendon ke bethamai kan benta ya ki jaka badon ki karkhana bat e ki jing don kam babnia na ke benta ki ba kumnu ki yeng ban tei bat ru ki put saudong jongki.
It involves amendment of the building bylaws for these industrial zones. And as you are aware, the expansion that is happening currently, especially in the New Shillong area, the new city, has to be planned in a very scientific manner, which is why we need this new set of bylaws for the industrial zones to be in place. And these were considered and approved by the cabinet.
UMP Ketura Usaleng Sangma ni kesngi ulo ong biang bagaseng Congress kan yakun ting e hak election shiteng samoi ke ban selong hagam begri. Habakren shigala patai khubor usangma ulo ong ba ka jingdon benta jong keseng. Ka badon hak bor sensyar da ka jingdon jong menteri rang ba ka jela ki menteri bat ki MLA hak jingelap election. Ka penpau ba ki nong shong shnong jong ka gambegri kila dep job lupa. Ulo ong syuk-syuk ba ki menteri ki badon ha ka bos sensyar ki dei banyak keren halo ki mat ki ba shisha jong ka ni ka konstituensi ha ka jing elap ka jong ki. Usang ma ula penpau ya ka jing sengau scam ba ki pat ba ki don ha ka liang jong ka seng kongres bat ka seng hi ka nyele kat bala ban yo ya ka jing job ha ka ni ka election.
Okay, thank you all the.
You see, I have not seen Chief Minister campaigning door to door in any of the constituency, not even in his constituency. But right now he's jumping up to the, area where he was supposed not to also. But I'm glad and happy that he could see, through the Gambiri, that what are the area that needed to be projected to. Okay. Now, because of his wife only, he is going door to door and colony to colony and village to village. I'm happy that now, this by-election has pulled down each and every minister, pulled them down to the ground to see what are the reality that people are facing.
UMP Ketura Usaleng Sangma hinin kesngi ula pelong ia kajing kemi benya halo ki projek lembaga Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme lane MP Lats haga konstituensi Jong-u. Daga berpensyai bersibun ki projek kila syusa klem pendap wat hadin apu ars nem jong kajing bay tingka. Abakren kila petai kubor Usaleng ula penpau ia kajing sngokya halo kajing penslem berla kentu ia ketnat berdepet ban pendap no kam kloy ia ki kam badangsa. Haka jingilang Chief Secretary la beta ya barok kitnat ba ki dei ban pentikna ban pendep ya barok ki projek haswa uno opera hapok ka MP Lats man UMP ula ban penyai ya ki kam ki jam haki konstituensi jongki haga jingmang ka balong san klur tingka haka shisnam ringkat u district collector uban kmi ki kam ki jam haga po bapentrai kam ya ki projek.
Oh, it's comparatively actually MP Lats scheme is a very small scheme. Okay, it is just to fill up the gap where some of the area it is some of the area which are not getting from any other scheme, like for example PWD or maybe PHA from the other soil department or maybe from the education department. So those fill up the gaps. So it's only factor for the whole district. Like for example, in my constituency there are 5 districts which we have to look after the whole the whole area, and then moreover here also. Likewise, it's not that big, but still, whatever, it will definitely benefit the people at large.
Ka St. Anthony's Lower Primary School Shillong ka badai ka yeng school balarim on sam maramot no yaka da ka jing tay yaka yeng mau ka basan mala. La shim yaka ne ka rai hadien ka jing ngok hiai ka jing long shngan jong ki khana bat ban panyar yaka yeng school. Ka badon hadu nyos pak ngot ki khana pulie. Kani ka yeng school ka baladon menta praposnem hadon Bosco Square kam don satya ya kita ki jing don kam kat kum ka jok bementa. Kajing temu ke long ban pentikna ba kajing shim kelas na ke bentagi kena red kan yai beteng bet klem kenu kajing syak pentut la kadai hagapo ban pen klem ni bantai yaka. Ka North East India History Association Conference ke basau pulai la plepat ba mentagasngi da UMP ke Raja Sabha u Dr. W.R. Kharluki ha juai lingba ka jingyo jingkershan na ka Meghalaya Chief Minister's Special Grant. Lapanya ya ka ke program da ka Thomas Jones Synod College bat la ai jingkren da ka Professor Salam Irene. Halor ka jingta jong ka jingsha senshar jubor ke riulum ka Manipur ha ki pareng. Usi MKJHDC uba tombor shiwat ula pelai patba ya ki jain tawa ke bapeni ya ke culture tenrai jong ki nong jain tia. Hakane ke jingelang la pelai ru ya ke kaipot jong ka North East India History Association bat ya artli kot halo ke khana pateng jong katang. Ka Kentiu Lang Village Organization bakentup ya ka nyautli ki self-help group na ka shnong core step nong lindo kalaraki ya ka jingya lenti ka basausnam ka jongka henin ka sngi kane ka program bala pelong hari bhoi lawan ban shimbenta da ki brio paukman bakentup ya UML ka than uba Meryl Bonds em UMDC uba balajet rani bat ki nong elam shnong ha ka jing ai jing kren jong uba Meryl Bond ulaya ro ya kane ka sunjuk ha ka ban lam lenti ki pat ba klem de don kanu ka jingle shilyang ha kane ka shlem balalet snem balalet ka bakadauru ya ka jing kongsan bandon ya ka jing eteli bat ka jing trelang ban wanra ya ka jing job ha ka juk kapor ki ba penslur ru ban pensdang ya ka jing pentrai kam betmai na ka benta ka roi ka par ha ka snong ka tha mentapat ini pe ya ka jing long jing man ka sim neng shlong ka jing khriat ka long khat lai point sao degree celsius bat ka jing shit ka long apu sao point r degree celsius ka jing sngam ga hau ka long nyopu an shispa men step bat nyopo nak shispa jan miet kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 mm kalak bandon kajing hap slap bat kajing dum lo kendau ke ba malu malah ki kat tu kat ni ki jaka Shaun poi shi ke bekut jong tup kubon ni pe biang sa sin ni kini kimat bekongsan yakhi ke India Persha ya kajing sentiat ke sokar Canada ki nong mi kimat nakari Menjer ke kenhuan menteri jong ke jela ya ki kendon an forensic science ban penklan ya ke jinglap di kam snew Play ke soka jela ya ke surok na tem yo maulong ban pendunai ke jing deheng kali Ajing menjer ke kenhuan menteri ke jela halo ke jing pentrai kam ya ke building bylaws na ke bentaki karkhana Bat semai ke seng Kongres banyak kunting hak election citeng semoy hagam begeri ong UMP ketura usaleng sangma. Deparlok katung ila poish bekut jeng ketuk kubor jeng mentega janmiet hadu bangin syamit pelacai kesengi haga juk kubor kubli shibuni pi barok.